Apple has just introduced something that could open the Mac world to a lot more people. It's called the MacBook Neo, and it starts at just $599. That's a big deal for anyone who's been curious about owning a Mac but didn't want to spend a fortune. Students, families, and first-time Apple users are clearly the target here. And the idea is simple: give you the core Mac experience at a much more approachable price. Instead of using the typical Mac chips, the MacBook Neo runs on the A18 Pro chip, the same processor found in the latest iPhones. That choice helps keep the price down while still delivering solid everyday performance. Apple says web browsing is about 50% faster than most Windows laptops in the same price range, and tasks like photo editing are noticeably quicker too. The chip includes a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine, which means it can also handle on-device AI features like organizing notes or cleaning up images without sending your data to the cloud. The laptop features a 13-inch Liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2408 by 1506. It gets up to 500 nits of brightness and supports a billion colors, so text looks sharp and visuals look vibrant. There's no notch cutting into the screen, and the anti-glare coating makes it easier to use in bright environments. Apple is offering the Neo in 4 colors: blush, indigo, silver, and citrus, all wrapped in an aluminum body with a matching Magic Keyboard. Apple also focused on sustainability with this design. The chassis uses 90% recycled aluminum, and new manufacturing techniques cut material waste in half. The laptop weighs just 2.7 pounds, making it easy to carry around, and the rounded edges make it comfortable to hold. Since it's fanless, it runs completely silent. The large multi-touch trackpad supports clicking anywhere on the surface, making gestures like scrolling and zooming feel smooth. Typing should feel great on the keyboard, and the $699 version adds Touch ID, along with a larger 512 gigabytes of storage. Battery life is another strong point. Apple says you can get up to 16 hours of web browsing or video streaming on a single charge. For media and calls, the MacBook Neo includes dual speakers with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos support for fuller sound. There's also a 1080p FaceTime camera and directional microphones designed to keep your voice clear while cutting down background noise. For connectivity, you'll find 2 USB-C ports. One supports USB 3 speeds and external displays, while the other runs at USB 2 speeds. There's also a headphone jack, along with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 6 for wireless connections. Charging happens through USB-C, since there's no MagSafe port on this model. If you already use an iPhone, the MacBook Neo fits right into Apple's ecosystem. Continuity features let your devices work together seamlessly. You can start something on the Mac and pick it up on your iPhone with handoff, copy and paste between devices with Universal Clipboard, or even mirror your iPhone directly onto the laptop screen. And for anyone switching to Mac for the first time, your iPhone can transfer your files, settings, photos, and passwords automatically during setup. The base model comes with 8 gigabytes of unified memory and a 256 gigabyte SSD, placing it just below the MacBook Air in Apple's lineup. Pre-orders are already open through Apple's website and app in 30 countries, with shipping starting on March 11th. Education pricing drops the starting cost to $499, and Apple is also offering trade-in deals that can bring the price down even further.